hello, Sprout. Sprout. Mhm. What a sweet baby. What a sweet baby. Hey, Sprout. Sprout. Oh, I love you. Sprout. Chew! Oh, thank you. He says gazoon height when I sneeze. Chew! Oh, thank you. What? Got a problem? Come here. Come back here. Come here. Hi. Oh, let's not show your butt. Mwah. There. How's that? Are you a good boy? Hey. I love you. I love you. Mwah. And at night, lots of times, for a while, show everybody. He could be so contrary. He does not like to be made to do anything. Come here. We sleep like this. Mwah. Not exactly. He doesn't look like that.